Amira is a little nervous today because this is her first time using public transit in Alberta.
Hey, sorry. Is this the bus that goes to the mall?
Yeah, I believe so. You don't have the app on your phone?
The app?
Yes, every city has a transit app and a website that you can check the bus routes, schedules, and fare information.
I did not know about that.
Oh, it's right here on the App Store.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Oh, no problem. I hope that helps. Sorry, we gotta go.
Sure, thank you.
Being able to look up transit information on your phone will be helpful in the future.
Hi there.
Hi. Where's the debit machine?
We don't have debit on the bus.
Oh.
We only take cash, prepaid passes, or tickets.
And how much does that cost?
$3.50. Just
Okay. Thank you. Oh, sorry to bother you again. Could you please tell me which stop is for the mall?
the mall, that's far. Just have a seat behind me and I'll let you know when your stop comes up.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you feel lost or don't know your stop, feel free to ask the bus driver for help or call the information line.
Hi there.
Hi.
Is this your first time riding the bus?
Yeah, I just moved to Alberta 2 months ago.
Wow, how do you like it?
It's nice. The summer is really nice, but I'm a bit worried about the winter.
The winter is very cold. Do you have a good winter jacket?
No, not yet. I think I'll buy one soon.
That's a good idea. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, you could go to a thrift store and get a used jacket.
Oh, that's a great advice. Thank you.
Are you planning to take transit a lot?
Yeah, I actually don't have a driver's license, so I'm probably gonna start riding the bus to work.
That's good. You will probably want to get a monthly pass. I'm lucky. I get a cheaper senior pass.
A monthly pass?
Yes, you can get them online or at any transit office or any convenience store.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. That's my stop. It was really nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Good luck in Alberta.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Oh no, Amira, some loud people have gotten on the bus. If you ever feel you are in danger, you can talk to the bus driver, or in an emergency you can push the red emergency button. Some cities have a number that you can text.
You would have passed me and all that layup was been an and one. Cody was all over me. Could have won that game. 2 points, bro. 2 points. It's our stop now. See you tomorrow.
Hi, your stop is coming up.
Thank you.
Will you be riding the bus home after?
Yes, I will.
In that case, you're going to need one of these transfer slips. It'll allow you to ride the bus free within 90 minutes.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Good work, Amira. It can be scary to ride transit for the first time, but you did great. Next time, let's try the train. Some cities in Alberta have LRT train systems. You will need to buy your ticket before you get on. The transit peace officers will check your ticket on the train.